From gig work to financial freedom. How to make money in the gig economy. The gig economy has transformed the way people earn. What once began as side hustles has evolved into a powerful pathway toward independence, flexibility, and when done right, long-term financial freedom. Whether you're looking to supplement income or build a full-time career on your own terms, the gig economy offers real opportunities. Here's how to turn gig work into something bigger than a paycheck. The new world of work. Gone are the days when a single 9-to-5 job defines success. Today, millions earn money through short-term, flexible jobs called gigs that fit around their schedules and skills. From digital services to local tasks, gig work allows you to choose when, where, and how you work. But freedom doesn't come automatically. Financial independence in the gig economy requires strategy, consistency, and smart decisions. Step 1. Choose gigs that match your skills. The fastest way to earn is by leveraging what you already know. High-demand gig categories include writing, design, video editing, and content creation, programming, app development, and tech support, online tutoring, teaching, or coaching, virtual assistants and social media management, photography, editing, and creative services. If you're still developing skills, gig work can also be a learning platform. Start small, build experience, and grow your value over time. Always respect platform age requirements and local rules. Step 2. Treat gig work like a business. Many people fail in the gig economy because they treat it like extra cash instead of a real business. Successful gig workers track income and expenses, set clear income goals, manage time intentionally, reinvest in tools, skills, and learning. When you think like a business owner, every gig becomes a building block, not just a one-time task. Step 3. Build a personal brand. In a crowded gig marketplace, trust is everything. To stand out, create a strong profile with a clear description of your value. Showcase examples of your work portfolio or samples. Communicate professionally and reliably. Deliver more value than expected. Over time, your reputation becomes an asset that attracts better-paying opportunities without chasing them. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Relying on just one platform or gig can be risky. Algorithms change. Demand fluctuates. Smart gig workers use multiple platforms. Combine active gigs paid per task with scalable income digital products, subscriptions, or content. Gradually shift from time for money work to value-based income. Diversification creates stability, and stability creates freedom. Step 5. Master money management. Earning more doesn't matter if you don't manage it well. Key habits include saving a portion of every payment, planning for slow months, avoiding lifestyle inflation, setting long-term financial goals. Financial freedom isn't about earning endlessly, it's about controlling your money instead of letting it control you. Step 6. Upgrade your skills continuously. The gig economy rewards those who grow. Invest time in learning higher-paying skills, improving speed and quality, understanding trends in your niche. As your skills increase, so does your earning power, often without working more hours. From gigs to freedom. Gig work isn't just about quick money. When approached with discipline and vision, it becomes a launchpad for independence, confidence, and control over your future. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but every gig completed, skill learned, and dollar saved moves you closer. The gig economy isn't the end goal. It's the bridge, and how far you cross it is entirely up to you.